G'day guys, I'm Cameron here from Jedi Mum Tricks. I'm the workshop manager and today I'm going to show you how to put a flat packed cube together. Today in this square cube flat pack you'll get two sides, you'll get a pack of dowels, you'll get your pack of connector bolts and an Allen key to go with the connector bolts. We start by screwing in our dowels along one side all the way, like so, and you do the whole side complete, and then we'll show you how to do the other side. If you guys also have a drill with the right size bit, you can use that as well. Okay, now that you have all your dowels in one side, we can place the other side on top like so, and just line up your dowels with the holes, and then we can begin to screw these dowels in. Once again, I'm going to use the drill because it's much faster. And here you go, this is your end product, a fully assembled cube ready to rumble.